Hello everyone, this is Rafthelsa Vlogs. Right now I'm going to show you my miniature black forest. In my vlogs, I always show you the black forest. Look at here, I created a black forest. It's winter time in Germany, in the black forest of Germany. And you can see on the top of the mountain or in the forest, there is the only old castle standing on the topmost of the forest. So I have here my creation, a castle. Look at there. This is the castle. Inside the castle, and there is a post, 4 pieces of post around, and you look at the like a crown here on the front. And this is the flag of Germany, black, orange, and yellow. And this is the entrance, main entrance, and there is some cars going up there to see what is inside in this black forest. And this is the spectacular view of the black forest in Schramberg city of Deutschland. The black forest is situated in the southwest of Baden-Württemberg, Germany. So guys, look at here. This is an imaginary black forest. It is a winter time in Germany, and you can see it's frozen everywhere. And on the topmost of the mountain, there is an old castle. Look at the old castle. Look at, guys, the castle. This is the entrance. And behind of the castle, there is a dairy farm. Some people are skiing. Look at the skiing people. So the man is going up skiing, and there is some children playing, making a snowman, and another man is also playing with a ski. And in the lower part of the black forest, there is some houses. Look, and it is a landscape house. So this is the overview of the black forest today in the winter season in the black forest of Germany. This castle is in the Schramberg black forest, and this is just a visual aid of how the old castle standing on the topmost of the mountain. And look at the forest, no more leaves because it's winter time. So I created here some forest. Look, so this is the side of the old castle. So the front is covered with thick forest. Look at, guys. So this is the thick forest, and there is some cars from the lower part of the mountain. You can go up by hiking or you can go by car. So there is some 4 cars going up there, and they want to see. Mostly they are tourists because this is the landmark of the Baden-Württemberg, the old castle of the Schramberg castle. And this is constructed more than 400 years old, since 1610, and it's already damaged but still standing on the topmost of the forest. And on the cliff of the forest, there is some houses there, and there is a farmhouse. Everywhere in Germany, there is some farmhouse for the cows.